I'm going to start out by priming my face, which is pretty much what I always do before applying any sort of foundation. Then I'm going to go ahead in with my MAC foundation and just apply that all over my face. Next, I'm going to go ahead and conceal my under eyes to brighten them up, as well as my chin and forehead area. Then I'm going to go ahead and take my beauty blender and just blend all of that right out. Next, I'm going to contour my cheeks, which you've seen me do 1,000 times, so I'm just going to speed up the process. Then I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows, which I always do, and follow that up with some brow fiber volumizer, which is my absolute favorite product in the entire world. Definitely recommend trying that out if you haven't already. Then I'm going to take a really light matte eyeshadow and just apply that all over my lids as a base for the rest of my eyeshadow. Then I'm going to go ahead and take a purple eyeshadow and apply that right in the crease. And again, since this is like a space galactic type look, you can really use any colors you want. I just try to pick colors that I imagine seeing in the galaxy, like purples and blues and pinks. Next, I'm going to take a magenta color and I'm just going to apply that all over my eyelids. Then I'm going to take this really pretty color and smack that right on underneath my eyes. And I did my liquid eyeliner off camera, but now I'm going to be taking this white liquid eye pencil and I'm going to kind of be creating this sort of design on the top of my eye. It's a little hard to explain, but it kind of just turns into this upper wing. I thought it just added some extra definition to my eye. Now this is where the fun part starts. I'm just taking all those colors I applied to my eyelids and I'm kind of just blending those in all over my forehead. So I'm blending the pinks in with the purples and the teals, and that's just going to create a really cool space kind of galaxy vibe on your face. Then I'm going to take the eyeshadow down all the way over my brow bone. Now this part was kind of hard to film, so I didn't film all of it, but I'm basically just trying to draw stars and moons and different things like that on my face with that same liquid white eyeliner. And then I'm taking a pencil and I'm just going right over that to brighten it up and make it even more defined. Then I just went ahead and used that same liquid eye pencil and just put some little white freckles all over my face. You've seen me do mascara a million times, so I'm just gonna speed this part up. Now I'm applying a purple lipstick just to complete the look and make it a little more out of this world.